Eating a nutritious diet is only one part of what's needed to experience vibrant health. Another is exercise. Exercise provides oxygen to the cells in the body. Oxygen in the cells provides energy, better mental ability, better emotional health, and even length to our lives. In addition, exercise causes a flushing effect in the veins and arteries. This keeps the blood circulating freely. As the arteries and veins become clear, oxygen supply in the lungs increases and is transferred to the blood for dispersal. This oxygen-rich blood is then carried to all cells in the body, and this entire process promotes cleansing and rebuilding of healthy cells. Exercise and nutrition together can significantly improve health and our quality of life. I'm Ann Schechter, and this is the Wellness Minute.